Fat man got away. Oh, you heard me closing. I didn't really get away. I'm letting him roam around. Now he's looking at me because I'm recording him and he hears me. Look at him. He just jumped from there to there and landed perfectly without having an iguana fail. So let's look. Oh god, climbing on the fish tank. Please no iguana fails. Ooh, look at that upper body strength. Alright, it's time for me to get him.